Good morning, everyone. So, as you can probably hear and tell by some of the background scenery, we've got some new friends in our family. So, let's check them out. So these are actually Indian runner ducks, and when I bought them, I bought like an assorted package. So I think we have 3 different colors here, as far as the eye can see. So the black one, I believe, is a chocolate runner. The 2 grayish ones, I believe, are blue runner ducks, and the 3 white ones, or for say yellow as of now, are white fawns. So these guys are actually a flightless breed of duck, and they're actually one of the best foraging ducks you could buy. And so far, we're thinking that this one right here, the chocolate runner, we think he's the male because he actually has a band on his leg. It's gonna be hard to see here. We believe he is a male because of this. Probably can see it there a little bit. Yeah. That band there, pretty sure that means that he's a male because I did get 1 male and 5 females. I actually get these ducks sexed, so they're not gonna be free-run ducks. So these guys are actually, they're very dirty. As you can see, this is a little setup I got from here. We got a heat lamp held up here. I actually moved it up about, I'd say 10, 15 inches, just because they were getting taller and I could tell they were overheating a little bit. So I moved the lamp up. I gave them a temperature gradient, so they have plenty of space to roam around. If they end up getting too hot, they can lay over here. Got their water bowl, which they drink a lot of water, and they also use it to clean themselves. As you can see, they're all wet right now. But these guys are really, really cool. Got them a little feeder here. They don't go through a lot of feed. I'd say more so the water you gotta watch. But yeah, these guys are super neat. So 2 things about ducks. They actually grow a lot faster than chickens, and they're also a lot dirtier. So yeah, I've never had chickens before myself, or ducks, or any kind of poultry. So this is brand new for me. But I think these guys are doing really good. I think they're very healthy. They're getting louder by the day. And yeah, they just seem to be having a good time here. I gotta clean out the shavings. I do it about twice a day. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Yeah, they dirty it up real bad. You can see all the poop and all the water that they just spilt everywhere. But yeah, so far these guys are doing pretty good. They're actually pretty resilient, so I don't have to worry too much about them. But yeah, they're doing well. So as for the coop these guys will be in, it's going to be a 4x6 space. They recommend at least 5 square feet for a duck, or it might be more, but that's where I saw it on one source. But they're going to have plenty of space to roam around in there. These ducks actually don't roost, so they will be on the ground for the most part. We're going to give them a little platform they can nest on if they do, but these ducks are actually not very good mothers by reputation. But regardless, wherever they lay eggs, I'm going to try to pick them up. And maybe we'll get some fertilized eggs and hatch some more ducks in the future. Back to the coop. It's going to be a 4x6 area, and it's going to be 6 foot on the top, and it's going to slope down to 5 feet. And you're going to want a lot of ventilation for these guys because the water and all that, you know, they're going to get the place dirty. There's going to be a lot of humidity in there. We want to make sure there's a lot of air circulation in here. But I'll actually show the coop once it's done. Oh, what the hell just happened? I figured out how to open this thing up. Jeez. Here you go, buddies. It scared them a little bit. I actually got to get them more water now. They already drank all that. I just filled it up about an hour ago. So if you have any sort of ducks, expect to get dirty once these guys are big and when you're caring for them. Right now I'm going to take out the shavings and replace them, and we'll see how happy they are after that. So I just changed out the shavings. Super happy. And for one thing, don't be like me. Don't raise these guys in your house. Raise them outside in an enclosed space. Because, yeah, they smell and they make a lot of waste. So it's kind of annoying cleaning it up inside. But, you know, you have to suffice for these guys. Just because they're so cute. So after having these ducks for about 2 weeks, I'd say, you know, it's pretty neat to have them. And I guess as they grow up, their eggs, when they start laying, they're going to be about twice as big as a normal chicken egg. Probably a little smaller than that, but around that size. They're big eggs. And these runner ducks are going to get pretty tall. They're probably going to get 2.5 feet tall about. And yeah, I mean, that's all I know for the most part about these guys. We're just going to have to see as we go. But yeah, waiting. It's going to be out 6 to 7 weeks until they're fully feathered and we can let them outside. I'm going to build them a nice run, and I'll update you guys when we get a nice run in our coop installed. So, catch y'all later. I'm going to put up some pictures of from when they came here until now, just to see the growth, and it's been fast growth, I'll tell you that. All right, peace out, y'all.